Welcome back, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at phonelink for Windows 11. This is a really cool piece of software that allows you to use your mobile phone on your Windows PC. Now this comes pre-installed on Windows 11, so if you go down to your start bar and type in phonelink, click on the app icon, it will bring you up with this window. Now I already have my phone connected, as you can see, but I'm going to reconnect it now. Now you can use this on either an iPhone or Android. I'm going to use an Android. You'll be greeted with a QR code. You just scan this on your mobile phone. Now your mobile phone and your PC need to be connected to the same network. As you can see, my phone is now connected. If you click on your mobile phone icon, it will bring up the mobile phone desktop where you can use all of your apps as you would usually. On the right hand side here, you click on your photos. All of your photos that are stored on your mobile phone will come up. Your text messages, you can use all of your apps. One quite cool thing that I like to do is open up the Google Home app where I can control all of my Google Home devices. I use it for my Give Energy, for my solar panels. I can even use the Ford app and unlock my vehicle, turn on the heating. Basically, any of the apps that are on your phone, you can use from your PC. You can make telephone calls.
11. New message.
And as you can hear, the telephone calls will come via the speakers connected to your PC or laptop. You can switch on Do Not Disturb mode so you won't get any notifications on the phone or your PC. And what I really use this app for is importing my videos and pictures that I take from my phone. This makes it an easy way for me to import. You can minimize this and it will stay down in your taskbar where you'll get notifications from your mobile phone. And also, if you're like me and you lose your mobile phone a lot, there's a play sound option here that will send a ringtone down to your mobile phone so you can locate it. If you found the video useful, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one.